Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're working on this 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it is a sad day for this window regulator in the back. Usually you can tell that they failed because, well, you got the good old tape marks on the outside, and then you come to the front, you got the good old tape right, I don't know if you can see that because of the light. You got the good old tape on the inside as well. So we're going to go ahead, let me get in here so you can see me. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take care of that. It's pretty simple. You have a Torx bit right behind the door handle right here, and then inside the cup holder here you have a Phillips head right down in there, and like I said, the Torx bit right inside there, and then you have all the door panel clips that go around. You just have to pop them off, fairly easy. And you can, I'm hoping that it's just a window wire that's inside the house, raise and lower it, because when I press the button and stuff, I still get a hum. So I'm hoping that the motor is still good itself. If that's the case, we save probably about 30 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and swap it out, so we don't have to worry about getting broken into or any water getting in with this dropping. If you've been following the channel for a little bit, you know, you can now see that I invested in a good pair of panel removers. I got everything, to the plastics, to everything, the pry tools, the screwdriver ones, everything that even comes in a nice case. So finally moving up in the world, upgrading, so that way now I don't damage anything like I always did in the past. Now I just gotta get the hang of which ones I need, because there's so many of them. Apparently not this one, because that ain't gonna do it. So when you take off your door panel and you come on the inside, you're gonna see these two cables here. One's for the door latch, and one's for like the locking of the door that runs to your door latch assembly motor, whatever it is. These are super simple. You just take and you push them this way. So you go and boom, and you get them out of the way, and you just pry up on the rod, and the rod will come out. Same thing with the bottom one. You just go, sorry for the noise of this. As soon as now you get the panel off, you unplugged everything, you got the speaker out. You're going to want to put this probably about halfway the window, you know, if it can, because mine keeps dropping. But right inside here, right on the outside of that tab right there, there's a little metal tab. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Okay. So right here on the side here is a little metal tab. You're going to take a flathead, you're going to pop that out on both sides. They have that. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow the window to come off, because it's no bolt that just clamps it like other vehicles that I'm used to. This is something different. So yeah, take the pins out, and then the window regulator will release from the window, and then there's going to be these two bolts here, and then these three bolts here, and the whole window regulator will come out, and you have to just unplug it from here. Alright, let's do it. So that's what mine looks like. When I was using it, I heard a big thump, and the braided wire in there apparently just snapped. and jammed it right up. So that is no
Alright,
good.
so my motor wasn't the problem. It was the cable inside. It bound up. So I only needed to get the bracket itself.
I didn't need to get the whole assembly, so it didn't cost me as much as it were to if someone's motor would have gone. So now I'm going to do is, since I swapped it over, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reinstall this. It's that simple. We are now back in business. One thing I like to remind you is that the 3 bolts that are holding on the motor are the nice silver ones. Those are the ones that are like kind of like self-tapping screws. Those are for the motor. And then the 2 ones up here that hold the bar, the bracket, the ones that go here, are a pair. And the one that goes down at the bottom here, they all look the same, but they're different. So you gotta keep track of that, or else you might screw up the threads when you screw them in, and you don't want that to happen because that's just a big disappointment. So like I said, 2 is a pair, different than the one on the bottom. The 3 look exactly the same, and then the 3 that hold into the motor down here is the silver ones that look like self-tapping. Alright, so everyone's getting love now. So this Jeep's getting love. This is all set. I just have to do the valve cover now on that, the gasket. The Wrangler got love because the boo-boo in the back bumper. And now the XJ starts again. That got love. That was a crankshaft sensor, I think. I don't know. I replaced it anyways and it works now. So God only knows. So if you like to check out those videos, go to my channel and search for those videos. And guys, you guys have a fantastic night. Do whatever you want. Like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Damn, you're not paying attention to Russia. I freaking forgot to put this on. I had to take it all back off. Great.